Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on changing the console language on PlayStation 5. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. From the dashboard of PS5, move to the top and then go to the right until you get to Settings and open them. In Settings, open System. In System Settings, select Language from the left menu. Now select Console Language. Choose the language you want to change to. Your PS5 will now update to the new language. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more PS5 tips and tricks.